Hello, everyone. Welcome to Toronto's opening ceremony. We, the ASX, SEDS Canada, and RU Hacks are so excited to be hosting this event together. First off, please make sure that you joined the Space Apps Toronto Discord server. The link was sent out in the email today morning, along with other important items, which I highly recommend you read. So in this welcome session, we'll have members of each of the organizations present who they are and what they do. We'll be starting with SEDS Canada.
Hi, I'm Vanessa Van Decker. I am the Events Chair on SEDS Canada Board of Directors.
Hi everyone, my name is Aditi and I'm a staff at SEDS Canada as well as the Outreach Coordinator for the City of Toronto for NASA Space Apps.
Hi, my name is Lucy. I'm the National Coordinator for NASA Space Apps and as well as staff at SEDS Canada. So what exactly is SEDS Canada? So what we are is, it stands for Canadian Students for the Exploration and Development of Space, and it's Canada's only student-run nonprofit working at the national level to, help give opportunities for students who are interested in joining the space industry. And we've done many events before, including running NASA Space Apps in Toronto in the previous year in 2020. And that was a great success. And this year we have amazing organizations such as ASX and RU Hacks taking the lead once again to run the 2021 events. And so there are many other events that SEDS Canada hosts aside from NASA Space Apps. So Vanessa will go into the details of one of those examples.
Yeah, so let me tell you a bit about how you can get involved with us. I know you probably are a space lover like us because you're here, you're at Space Apps, and you probably also love to solve problems, which is something we're really passionate about, building skills and building opportunities for students in the space industry. One of the best ways you can get involved with SEDS Canada is our Ascension Conference. It's happening this year in January 2022, and the theme is To Infinity and Beyond, Innovation in Space. It's all about pushing boundaries and coming up with new solutions and technologies in the space industry. There's going to be so much to do at this conference. We have amazing speakers, skill building workshops, networking events, a 3-minute thesis competition, and it's going to be an amazing time. I'm so excited to announce some of the speakers we have lined up. If you become a SEDS Canada member, which is $12, not only do you get into Ascension for free this year, which is the first time that's ever happened, but as well, you also get access to our Discord server and a whole bunch of discounts. For instance, the International Space University, we offer a discount for that. We also have other things going on that you can get involved in. If you can just go to the next slide. We have World Space Week coming up next week, which is very exciting. World Space Week's theme this year is Women in Space. We have events going on all week next week. You can follow the hashtag WSW2021 or at SEDS Canada to keep up to date with what we're doing. We have an amazing panel with really inspiring women in the space industry that you can check out next week. Also, we organize really exciting research projects that students can get involved in. This is a really amazing opportunity to do undergraduate research in the space sector. So we're currently recruiting for research projects, so this is really good timing for you. CanSBX is our Stratospheric Balloon Experiment Design Challenge. You can bring your scientific experiment to the stratosphere. That's done in partnership with the Canadian Space Agency. We also have CanRGX, which is the Canadian Reduced Gravity Experiment. Have you ever wanted to do parabolic flight? Feel the feeling of zero gravity? This is your chance. You can bring your experiment and fly it in microgravity. As well, if you're from the North, we're currently recruiting delegates for our delegate team for the CanARX, Canadian Arctic Research Expedition, which is new this year and very exciting. So maybe you want to be even more involved in that. Maybe you want to be like Lucy, Aditi, or I and contribute to Canada and globally and work with top aerospace companies and the Canadian Space Agency. There is 4 positions currently open: Ascension Logistics Lead, which is for that conference I mentioned earlier, that I hope to see you at, Social Media Manager, Sponsorship Coordinator, and Web Developer. So I hope you apply. You can apply at seds.ca/join. And these are all the places you can follow us. We're on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. That's our website. And you can email the directors, of which I am one, the events chair, at directors@seds.ca.
Thank you, Vanessa and Lucy. That was great. Hi, everyone. I'm a member of ASX. So that's the Astronomy and Space Exploration Society at the University of Toronto. And my role in this club is to coordinate space apps. So every month, ASX hosts a Star Talk and a Trivia Night. Star Talks are focused on anything astronomy and space exploration related and are delivered by expert scientists. Each year, this club hosts a lecture symposium and a panel discussion, which is a large event with multiple talks and workshops. Above all, ASX members are enthusiastic about all things astronomy, so definitely reach out if you are too, or if you're curious to know about astronomy and space exploration. The upcoming ASX events include the monthly Star Talks. So we have one scheduled for October. We are also in the process of planning this year's symposium, so please do keep an eye out for that near mid-February. For updates, please follow us on our social media. Just as an FYI, not only for ASX, but you can find each organization's social media on the NASA location page. So that includes their Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and official website. So with that, I'll pass it on to Marjan.
Hi, everyone. So my name is Marjan, and I'll be representing RU Hacks this year. I'm the Operations Associate for RU Hacks. The next slide. RU Hacks is the official annual hackathon at Ryerson University. So this year will be our 6th year running the hackathon. So applications open up in April. RU Hacks was completely digital for the 2021 year, which is why we helped to maintain and build the Space App server this year. You can also keep up to date and learn more about RU Hacks through all of our socials. There's Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram, and our website at ruhacks.com.
Awesome. Thank you, Marjan. So now that each organization's introduced themselves, we'll dive into a quick introduction of Space Apps Toronto. This year's Space Apps is going to be the 2nd time that it's been held entirely virtually. We're excited to announce that it is Space Apps' 10th year anniversary, so it makes this event a little extra special. Collaboration is at the heart of this hackathon. Space Apps is for you to learn together with others and meet local, national, and global mentors to develop your solutions. Diversity is also a key component of this event. We welcome all types of people with all types of skills. You can be an artist, physics lover, or into business and find a challenge that suits you. And lastly, hacking is an obvious element of hackathons. We're looking forward to seeing the creative solutions that you come up with at home. So as I've mentioned, the email sent out this morning includes some very important information, including the schedule for this weekend. You'll see the different times that the talks are scheduled at, and you'll notice that some speakers are listed as CSA speakers. These talks will be at the national level, and I've specified the appropriate Zoom links for them. You'll also notice, on the other hand, a few local speakers, and their talks will be held through AirMeet. If there are any technical difficulties with AirMeet, we will revert to the backup Zoom link. So you can learn about AirMeet via the links I've posted in the email today, which includes a short 6-minute video. So like last year, we'll be using Discord as our primary platform. You can join the server using the link in today's email again. And also, please check the documentation for Discord, which is again in the email. We will post all these important resources on the Discord server itself. All right, so let's move on to project submissions. So project submissions officially opened at 9 a.m. today. This will be available on your dashboard, which you can access after creating an account on this NASA Space Apps website. To compete internationally, you must meet the requirements listed on this slide. So in particular, you need to respond to an official challenge statement using some space agency's data. You need to provide a demo either via a slide presentation or a video, and those have their appropriate requirements. So 7 slides max and 30-second video maximum. The code you provide, should you choose to, should be publicly accessible, and also make sure that everything you submit is in English or has an English translation. You can find detailed information regarding project submission on the official NASA Space Apps website. If you just go under resources, you'll find all the guides over there. And I do encourage you to read through the project submission guide. Okay. So now we'll move on to talking about the Csa Challenges. So like last year, you have the option to solve Csa Challenges. Keep in mind that you can register either for NASA Challenge or for Csa, but not for both. For Csa, you can find the link to register in today's email. We'll also post this information on Discord. The registration form closes on October 3rd at midnight Pacific time. So please be sure to fill that out if you want to solve a Csa challenge. And lastly, the Csa has their own set of prizes, different from those that NASA is offering.
Hey, Ishka, your slides are zoomed in again. Could you exit the presentation mode and present from there?
Yeah, sure. I'm sorry about
that. That's okay. If you just show the Csa challenge slide.
Okay.
Yeah, and then we'll share the slide deck with everyone on Discord afterwards so that you can have access to all of this important information. But yeah, carry on.
Right. Okay, so when I click on present, that's when it zooms in too much. I guess I'll just leave it at this view. Okay.
Yep, sounds good.
All right, thanks, Lucy. All right. Yeah, so lastly, I just want to thank our wonderful sponsors who are TD Insurance, and MBNA. These folks have offered a lot of support for us to host this event. And you can find out more information about them on our NASA location page.